So we're going to take a quick look at factoring using the shortcut method. First, we're going to take a look at when our a value is 1, so when there's no coefficient in front of our x squared. First thing we need to do, whether we're factoring or using quadratic formula, is we need to get everything over to the same side. So we want to take both these things over on the right, and we want to get them to be 0. So 2x minus 2x cancels out, and 1 minus 1 cancel out. So we do the same thing on the other side. 3x minus 2x and negative 5 minus 1. If it helps, you can make your little line down the equal side so you can see that what you do on one side, you do on the other. So you can see here they cancel out, and they cancel out, leaving us with equals 0. And then we combine what's on the left. X squared comes down. 3x minus 2x is positive x. Negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6. Now we can start to factor once we have our trinomial and everything set equal to 0. So when factoring this, we set up our parentheses. We know they both have to start with x because x times x is x squared. Now we can go to the diamond method if we need to know those factors and we're having some difficulty. So the factors of negative 6, they give us a sum of positive 1. So that's positive 3 and negative 2. So we can place those in any order for this problem into our solution. So x plus 3, x minus 2, and if that all equals 0, well then we can just take these and set them each equal to 0. X plus 3 is 0, x minus 2 is 0. So that means x equals negative 3 and x equals positive 2. We're going to take a look at another example using the same process. So just like before, the first thing we do is move everything from the right to the left side. So we're going to subtract 2x here, and we're going to add 23. These cancel out, and these cancel out, leaving us with equals 0. And we need to do the same thing on the other side. So if we minus 2x, we subtract 2x. If we added 23, then we add 23. And then we combine and bring it on down. So x squared comes down. Negative 7x minus 2x is negative 9x. Negative 3 plus 23 is positive 20. So now we're looking for the factors of positive 20 with the sum of negative 9. So that's going to give us negative 5 and negative 4. Negative 5 times negative 4 is positive 20. Negative 5 plus negative 4 is negative 9. So that tells us right away, we split this up. We know they both start with x. One of them has negative 5. The other has negative 4. So if this whole thing equals 0, then that means if either of these equals 0, then the whole thing will tell us what x is. So x equals 5 and x equals 4. And that's our solution.